So in here, we've copy monitored the grids and the levels, and you can see that from my floor plans here. I've got two sets of grids, two sets of levels. My local ones, copy monitored, you can tell by the little symbol on there, right there, and the ones in the link. So let's turn the ones in the link off, and we'll also use a view template to apply that to multiple views. So in this elevation, I don't have a view template. So I'm just going to go VV on the keyboard, visibility graphics. I'm going to go into Revit links. I'm going to go to the display by host and click on there. I'm going to change the basics to say custom, and then I could go to model stuff, but I don't need to turn model stuff. It's annotation. Take this and also say custom. Click in here, type in a G, it'll go down to the G's, turn the grids off. This is only in the link. Type in an L, it goes down to the levels, turn the levels off. I can hit apply if I want to see what that does. There it is right there. You can see in the background. Hit OK. Hit apply, hit OK. So that's done. Now let's make a view template from that. View template, create template from current view. And then in here I can say, okay, this is going to be called my, elevation. And then there it is there, and I can tweak the scale or whatever else I want. I'm making a view template. Now I've made the view template. Okay, now I'm going to go to my actual elevations here. And these are electrical right now. So I'm going to click on all these, and I can grab more than one. I can grab, multiple using these all if I want. And then probably not, because these are mechanical. So let's remove those and go to here and say view template. And now apply that new view template and hit OK. And now when I open up all the other elevation views, it's already there. The floor plans already have a view template, so I can go straight into here. I can go to Revit links, go right into here, custom, annotation, again, custom, go to here, go to grids and turn them off. Click in, go to L, turn levels off. I don't have to turn levels off in floor plans. Hit OK, and those are gone. And now those will be gone in all my plans that are using that template.